Hello everyone, today we are going to learn least common multiple, that is LCM. Example 1, find the LCM of 60 and 48. So first we are going to find the prime factors of 60. 5 1s are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 2s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now we will find the prime factors of 48. Unit place number is 8, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So now we will write the factors of 60, that is 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 48, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will find the common factor from both the numbers. 2 and 2 is common. Again 2 and 2 is common. Again 3 and 3 is common. Now uncommon factors, that is 5 is uncommon, into 2 and again 2. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. These are the common factors. Now we will write the uncommon factors, that is 5 into 2 into 2. So LCM is equal to, we have to multiply both the numbers together. So 2 into 2 is 4, 3 5s are 15 and 2 2s are 4. So LCM is equal to 4. We will multiply these two numbers first. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry over, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. Now 4 into 16. So LCM is equal to 6 4s are 24 and this 0. So LCM is 240. Example 2, find the LCM of 16, 28 and 40. So first we will find the factors of 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now 28. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. And now 40. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors of 16, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we will write the factors of 28, 2 into 2 into 7. Now we will write the factors of 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now we will write the common factors from all three numbers. 2 2 2. 2 is common. Again 2 2 2. Again 2 is common. Again 2 and this 2 is common. Now we will write the uncommon factors, that is 2 7 into 7 and 5 into 5. Now we will write all the common factors together, that is 2 into 2 into 2. And now uncommon factors, 2 into 7 into 5. So LCM is equal to 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into 7 5s are 35. So LCM is equal to 4. We first will multiply these two numbers. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry over, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14 into 140. So LCM is equal to, now we will multiply these two numbers. 4 zeros are 0, 4 fours are 16, 1 carry over, 4 ones are 4, plus 1 5, so it became 560. So LCM is 560. Example 3, find the HCF and LCM of 18 and 30. So first we will remove the factor of 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors of 18. 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will write the factors of 30. 3 into 2 into 5. So first we will find the common factors from both the numbers, that is 2 and 2. 2, 3 and 3 into 3. So HCF is equal to 6. Now we will find all the uncommon factors, that is 3 and 5 into 5. So LCM is equal to, it is common factors are 2 into 3 and uncommon factors are 3 into 5. So LCM is equal to 2 3s are 6 into 15. So LCM is equal to 6 5s are 30, 3 carry over, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 9. So our LCM is 90. Example 4, find the HCF and LCM of 15, 45 and 105. So first we will remove the factor of 15. 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 45, 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. Now we will write the factors of 15, that is 5 into 3, factors of 45, 5 into 3 into 3, factors of 105, 5 into 3 into 7. Now we will write all the common factors. 5 5 5 is common, again 3 and 3 and 3 is common. So our HCF is 5 3s are 15. Now we will write all the uncommon factors, that is 3 into 7. So LCM is equal to common factors 5 into 3 into uncommon factors 3 into 7. So our LCM is equal to 5 3s are 15 into 3 into 7. So LCM is equal to 15 into 3. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry over, 3 1s are 3, plus 1 4, 45. 45 into 7. So LCM is equal to 45 into 7. 7 5s are 30, 5 5, 3 carry over, 7 4s are 28, plus 3 29, 30, 31, 315. So our LCM is 315.